छोड़ के गए दूसरे मीटिंग के लिए।
कॅमेऱ्याची कॅपॅसिटी ती आहे ना, काय करणार? दाखवतो ते सगळे आर्मीवाले होते ना.
Pleasure in welcoming the members to the 56th annual general meeting of the company. I call the meeting to order. At the outset, I would request all the members to kindly keep your mobile phones in the switch off or silent mode for smooth conduct of the meeting. The company secretary informs me that the quorum is present. Before I take up the agenda of the meeting, let me have the pleasure of introducing the dignitaries seated on the dais. To my immediate left is Shri Sanjeev Singh, is Director Refineries. Next to him is Shri Debashish Sen, Director Planning and Business Development. And to my extreme left is Shri A.K. Pandey, Representative of the President of India. To my immediate right is Shri Raju Ranganathan, Company Secretary, followed by Shri A.K. Sharma, Director of Finance, you, for quite some time, and with your consent, I consider them as having been read. Now, I request the Company Secretary to read the Auditor's report on the accounts of the company for the year 31st March 2020.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Independent Auditor's report
at the 56th AGM of the company. I thank you all for sparing your valuable time to be present here and support us at this important meeting. It is the continued support and unwavering trust of the shareholders in the corporation that has enabled us to deliver sustained performance and growth over the years. The notice convening the meeting, the director's report and the audited annual accounts have been with you for some time, and with your permission,
Good afternoon to all of you. I welcome you all for the 111th annual general meeting of Tata Steel Limited. As the requisite quorum is present, I call the meeting to order. The company has received 12 valid proxies for 7,87,413 fully paid equity shares as well as 91 partly paid equity shares representing 0.07% of the paid up equity capital. The proxy registry is available with the registrars and transfer agents and is open for inspection by the members. The company has also received 9 letters from corporate shareholders appointing representatives under Section 113 of the Companies Act 2013 in respect of 35 crore 87 lakhs 11,884 fully paid shares and 3 crores 89 lakhs 42,837 partly paid equity shares representing 32.16% of the total voting capital. Since the last AGM, we have had a few changes at the board level. Mr. Saurabh Agarwal was inducted as a board member, while Mr. Ishat Hussain, Mr. Andrew Robb and Mr. D.K. Malhotra have ceased to become members of the board. On your behalf and on behalf of the board of directors, I would like to thank and appreciate. Thank you. There are no qualifications in the reports of the statutory and secretarial auditors. Now it is notice that the AGM may be referred to for the objectives and implications of these resolutions. I now propose the first resolution for the adoption of audited standalone financial accounts for the financial year March 31st, 2018. Can you put those lights and then dim this? Yes. Actually, I don't need this light. This is really causing a lot of irritation. Okay, I now put the first resolution to vote. Propose. Okay. Now, resolution 2, adoption of audited consolidated financial statements. Thank you. Resolution number 3, to declare dividend. PK. Thank you. For Mr. Bhatt.
Thank you, Chairman. It's a pleasure because the resolution number 4 is appointment of a director in place of Mr. N. Chandrasekharan, who retires by rotation and being eligible seeks reappointment. Seconded.
Resolution number 5, appointment of Mr. Saurabh Agarwal as director of the company. So they want to see you. Resolution number 6, reappointment of Mr. Kaushik Chatterjee as the whole-term director designated as executive director and CFO and payment of his remuneration. Thank you. Resolution number 7, ratification of the remuneration of Mrs. Shoman Banerjee, cost auditors of the company. Resolution number 8, issue of non-convertible debentures on private placement basis not exceeding rupees 12,000 crores. What is the interest rate? Huh? Not yet, it is to be issued, not yet. Enabling resolution. Thank you. Members who have not cast their votes through the NSDL remote e-voting system and who wish to do so may now cast their votes through the e-voting system. You may approach the representatives of TSR Darasha or NSDL for any assistance. Now, I would like to take the questions from members, and my sincere request to you,
fellow shareholder. So congratulations for earning per share for rupees 38 against 31 rupees last year, sir. On consolidated basis also you have reported 127 and 128 rupees earning per share. As against this earning of rupees 38 rupees per share, sir, you have given us just 10 rupees dividend. Is it too low dividend, sir? So you are further punishing us for 10 rupees dividend. We have to read 300 pages. Is a heavy punishment, sir. Sir, before this I want to have a small observations of preliminary nature. Sir, today also one of the Tata Group company had annual general meeting at Navi Mumbai. That is a NELCO. See, sir, it implies there is no coordination in the Tata Group of company in the house itself. So shareholders should not be deprived of participating in the annual general meeting of both the companies. Earlier they were not doing it. Now the NELCO report is very excellent, sir. For the last 5 to 10 years, this company was exempted from payment of dividend. Last 10 years, only for 1 year they have given dividend, sir. Apart from that, his managing director salary has been going up by leaps and bounds, sir. It was in 16 there, if there is a 3 pages or 4 pages is there. Why is so interested to compress it in 1 page, sir? What is there? After all, equity money you are taking, it's a free pocket money. नफत का पैसा क्या बोलता है हिंदी में, क्या बोलता है इंग्लिश को? Tata Steel, sir. And Bhushan Steel production and sale will attract 2% royalty or not from the Tata Sons, sir. We would like.
On page number 195, your earning per share from 31.74, it has gone up to 38.57. But your dividend payout is very conservative. So I think you should have taken initiative in giving more dividend. So please see that our share price in future doesn't go below 500. Because our share price, and one more thing, I am supporting all your resolution and I wish the company all the very best. And this 92 years old man wants to go, Sanghvi. So I am cutting short my speech so he can talk. Mr. H.V. Sanghvi.
Thank you.
Tata Steel team for such a wonderful annual report. It is really like, it is not
to call me to speak here. This is the 111th annual general body meeting of the company. There are 10 persons sitting on the dais as directors. One of them is lady. Out of the 10, 5 are the directors and 5 are independent directors. It proves that 5 directors of the company are not sufficient. That is why company is appointing independent directors. It is really sorry and painful thing. Why company cannot have more directors rather than independent directors? What is their purpose to serve? It pains me. Almost whole hall is empty. Shareholders have got no interest to attend the meeting, which is once in a year. I will not say many things, but certain things which pain me. I think I am the oldest. All the directors are much younger. I am completing 85 years on 31st October. Mr. Ratan Tata, who is my personal friend for the last so many years, he is younger than me by 5 years. I was introduced to Mr. Ratan Tata by J.R.D. Tata, long back. Being an officer from Indian Railways, I was attending their office for purchasing the steel for Indian Railways. It pains me why shareholders have got no interest to come and join this hall with the other shareholders, because shareholders have lost the interest in the company. Gentlemen, one thing I tell you, you feel thirsty, you can drink the water. You feel something, you can have cold drink. You feel something, you can have a cup of tea and coffee. All these people are not are they not human beings? Have you arranged for water for them? They have to go outside. Now I request you, please when feel thirsty, drink water, drink tea, drink coffee, drink cold drink, but don't eat anything. I was looking at you people, everybody, all the directors were taking this dry fruits. It is a civic sense. It is decency. They should be ashamed when others are sitting here and you are taking the dry fruits and other things. You people are paid handsome salaries, commissions, so many things. In spite of that, when a meeting is held, board directors meeting is held, they are getting sitting arrangement, sitting fees, 4 lakhs rupees, 5 lakhs rupees, 8 lakhs rupees. It is a shameful thing. 80% of people in the country are not having one bread, one meal in a day. And we are talking about so many things in a country where our leaders are corrupt and so many things are happening. Now I would request you only one thing. Till I am alive, I think I will go beyond 100. Till I am alive, I will attend this meeting and talk like a fool. I am talking nonsense because it will not affect you people. You are coming as here, just heroes like heroes. You are paying handsome salaries, commissions. Independent directors are here, there. They are independent directors in many companies. Only 2 years back, before our present chairman came here as a chairman, I was sitting with Mr. Ratan Tata here on this seat only. He was frustrated. I had met him. Cyrus Mistry and Nasliwala had created a problem. I had warned Mr. Ratan Tata in 2012 that don't appoint Cyrus Mistry as the chairman. But he didn't listen to me. And I told him in presence of 4 directors that one day you will repent for appointing Cyrus Mistry. And it happened. And he realized that. And when I meet him sometime, I see that he is frustrated. He has lost interest. I pray God that he should have long life, but I don't think that he will live very long, because he is sad and he has been disappointed. He is much younger than me, and I pray God that he should have good health. Gentlemen, once I again request you, reduce your commissions, reduce your sitting fees in the board's meeting. What you are doing there? Here I see that you are taking dry fruits and other people are sitting like the idiots. shareholders have got no interest in the company, that is why they are not coming. Whole hall is, how much you pay to the hall authorities for, why they are not attending the meeting?
Thank you, sir. I made your point. Thank you.
Gentlemen, I will go back on my seat. I will not create anything, but you should, how you have come up, I know. By virtue of your qualification and by goodwill of the people you have come here. Anyhow, forget about this. I have got no interest, but as a shareholder, I have a right to attend a meeting and talk any nonsense.
Thank you. Mr. Sudhir Vartak?
Yes, sir. 22, I suppose. 22. Well, Chairman, sir, recently our company.
Anyway, I don't have much to speak. I am very glad to stand before the reputed, esteemed member of the board of directors who are making this company great. There's only one thing which I would like to say which is in your favor, and I have already mentioned it to the top people. This is that you all are operating very intelligently. You are targeting the right segment. And what I am speaking about, you see, the engineers, your engineers are holding talks at the Institution of Engineers and they are explaining the values of your products. What is the ingredient, what is the addition to your products which give them particular qualities and where that should be selected and where it should be used and why our product is better than the competitor's product in what areas. So that's a very good targeting you all have been doing. What is it being added to improve the steel quality? So I will not take time because I know you have been sitting very long. God bless you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you to all the shareholders for sharing your views. Now let me respond. Mr. Arun Kumar is not here. Mr. Wajid Sultan? No, you are here. I was talking about Arun Kumar. So I will come to you. Mr. Wajid Sultan? I know that you are in touch with Mr. Narendran. I request you to continue to meet him to get a closure. Mr. Kotwani?